Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing about the concept of gravity, which has been redefined by modern science. However, the things are not yet clear how gravity works. So I thought of taking up this topic so that we can have better clarity. Let me put it in this way that earlier it was believed that gravity lies in the heavenly objects like galaxy, solar system, so on and so forth. Whereas with the advancement of science, it became clear that it lies in the subatomic particle, which is subject to quantum science. Now, the latest research which we can relate to is Higgs boson or God particle, which was done in Geneva. Now, what's the outcome? The outcome of Higgs boson is that it's a field through which particle gain mass, or if I have to say in other words, it 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 is it fabricates our reality, or the vacuum energy is something which gives an insight about the reality. So, how can it be understood? Because still, it's not yet clear how gravity works. So, to understand it in a better way or a profound way, we need to relate it with six orthodox schools of thoughts with respect to Hindu philosophy. They are termed as Shat Darshana. Shat means six, and Darshana means to see. Now, when I see to see, we need to understand the vision with respect to the secular phrase micro and macrocosm that has been derived from Sanskrit aphorism Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande. So, how we can get the clarity or insight about reality? Well, now if you see there, the science indicates that this universe is a giant brain and it's a replica of human brain. So it indicates again the same thing. Whatever is in the cosmos, so is in the human body. Whatever is in the atom, so is in the cosmos. And the research outcome which I'm indicating to is it's indicating about an atom that has the power of whole universe at its back. And atom, as we know, has 99% of space, and so is with the human body. That's where the science is leading us to. So that's what I've mentioned, vacuum energy that fabricates our reality. So this outcome that this universe is a giant brain is not that profound as with respect to the aphorism Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande, because brain is again matter, whereas mind is conglomeration of thought, or if you can say that it's a tool to transcend space and time. So now to make the things more clear with respect to the concept of micro and macro, which has been discussed in major ancient civilization around the globe, you need to understand that inner sun is compared with the soul. The inner sun is compared with the soul, and we need to understand that the electric potential which enters the human brain through the field of Higgs boson can be understood with respect to the attachment or gravitation of human intellect and mind with the soul, which can further be related with the concept of transmigration. So, in order to understand this entire phenomenon, we need to have a deeper insight about the Shat Darshanas, six orthodox schools of thoughts, which gives us the vision to reality in detail. This has been described by ancient seers, uh, and that dates way back to 600 BCE or probably more or prior. So I believe I have made the things very clear now. So it's about eventually it indicates about non-duality, and which is backed up by the quantum science, and it is supposed to be understood with respect to the concept of transcendence. So I believe the things would have become more clear about the phenomenon of transmigration, which is happening from ages, and that the soul is imperishable. It's so I believe if you have some other things to discuss, do share your views. This is my interpretation on the concept of gravity from mystical perspective, and I would be sharing my write-ups on the Sat Darshanas, six orthodox schools of thoughts, which gives a better idea about transmigration. Uh, and if you have some other thoughts, please do let me know. Thank you. Namaste.